All right, couple things you should know. To get your water up through your shower head, you need a new diverter. You don't need a new faucet. Hopefully this will help you out. You can take your needle nose pliers. Before you do any of this, cover the drain of your tub so you don't lose any of these parts into your drain. Take your needle nose pliers, reach right up into your faucet, pop this joker out, all right? Then you can pull the stem out. Or what a lot of folks don't know, you can take these vice grips, grab the stem, and a lot of these will just unscrew. Look at that. Who knew? It took me forever to learn this, all right? Now you can just let this joker drop right into your tub and take it to the hardware store. These diverter kits sell for maybe $5, $6, $7. And how they're going to come with the diverter, they're going to come with the stem, likely with this top screwed on, okay? And you're also going to have this rubber. Now keep in mind, this rubber is what diverts the water through the shower head. It has a really smooth side, you see that? And then it has this kind of donut open side like a bowl. Well, it's going to go right into the diverter like a bowl. Okay, the smooth flat side is going to go into the smooth flat side of the diverter. Take this little U upside down, kind of like a basketball hoop, isn't it? You're going to take it, lay it down, pop your stem right back in there in that basketball hoop. If for some reason the ball won't go into the hoop, what you want to do is use some needle nose pliers to open that hoop up a little bit. Okay, not too hard, just give it a little bit of play just to open it up well enough so you're not struggling so much to get that right into the stem right into that diverter. Take that, slide it right back up into your faucet. When you do, there's going to be 2 metal pieces on each side. Those are to go in front of this diverter. Slide it back up into your faucet. You're going to have a little rubber donut. Once this is exposed through your faucet, slide that little rubber donut right back on top. Take your stem cover, screw it right back on there, and you are good to go. The water should now divert through the shower head. Hey, this video is in honor of my brother who passed from cancer. He used to help me with all this stuff. Now we're figuring it all out together. So you got this. All right. You have a blessed day, everybody. Peace.